After my wife started complaining about my annoying guitar practices, I figured it was time to invest in a silent guitar, cheaper than a divorce and significantly less paperwork. I went with the best, the Yamaha SLG200. My wife loves the sound of it, which for me was the biggest box to tick. At first, everything seemed perfect, quiet, sleek. But soon, I noticed a problem. As a classical guitar player, the shape felt wrong, the body too unfamiliar. Holding her was like trying to hug a modern art sculpture. Cool to look at, but painfully awkward to be seen with. Frustrated, I set the silent guitar down and let it be silent. My relationship was at risk, and I had to do something about it, because she wasn't budging. The perfect guitar I imagined did not exist yet. So I designed a support that holds the guitar at the ideal angle for classical playing. After printing the prototype on my aged yet reliable printer, one I haven't managed to upgrade for some reasons, the difference was night and day. After a few adjustments, the guitar sat at the perfect angle, effortless to play. The alien body that once caused nothing but discomfort transformed into the most ergonomic, comfortable guitar I had ever touched. I decided to design two styles, one portable, easily attachable and removable in seconds, and one fixed, replacing the original guitar horn and secured with the same original screws. I called the portable one QuickStrum and the fixed one SteadyStrum. Now there was one last problem to solve: aesthetics. Everyone who knows me knows that I have a thing for wood. Maybe because I know it used to be alive, so naturally my guitar support had to incorporate wood, at least partially. Wood-infused PLA seemed like an option, but most filaments just didn't have that authentic woody feel. Some felt like just plastic with rust issues, some just wood color, and some not as woody as I needed. One thing they all had in common though, was that they all came in dripping wet. After experimenting with different drying methods that people suggested on the internet, I finally got them all dried properly with a dedicated filament dryer. And after extensive testing, I found the perfect one. But I still needed more wood. Unlike 3D printing, woodworking tools are too loud, and because I live in an apartment, it would be a sin to disturb my neighbors. For QuickStrum, I added two thin wooden sheets to the sides, enhancing both the look and the feel. For the SteadyStrum, I used a beautiful solid piece of mahogany, similar to the original part it replaced. For me, it was crucial that neither solutions require any irreversible modifications to the guitar. And now, after months of designing, prototyping, and light woodwork, here is the final result. Both Steady and QuickStrum are available for purchase from my website, linked in the description.
What the f-